What up, Black family? What's up? What's up, fam? Yeah, it's been raining down here for 2 days. It's like it's a storm or something. I don't know. But I'm on my way to get the kids from school. How is everybody's day? I hope y'all out here being safe and careful, especially if y'all in the rain like me. Oh. But y'all, I'm just checking in. Talk to y'all because I didn't get up here yesterday. Mainly because just a lot going on. I had to go to the school yesterday because my son got in trouble again. I'm talking about Zaire, my youngest son. I don't understand what's going on. I don't know. So, I had to go and get him. And then I was taking care of my little girl. She's got like a cold or something. So, yeah. But other than that, I just been chilling, y'all. Y'all know I miss y'all as always. I wanted to get on live, but I was like, I'm not gonna be up here long, so. But I wanted to get on live so I could actually talk to y'all. Y'all know I like when y'all like talk back and stuff. Dang, I left my cup in the house. I don't know, y'all. I'm just riding. Out here riding. Mainly, I just been online trying to look for houses. Because y'all, I'm serious. When my tax money and my stimulus come, that's what I want to do. I want to get me and my kids a house. I mean, we've been talking about it forever. I just want to go ahead and take that leap. Even though I'm going to have to renovate it, I mean, I plan on doing that anyway. Not rude. Let me run into this store. Up in my car, y'all. She must think Derek in here. No, because that happened. Y'all know he a hoe, so that happens a lot. People always be looking in my car, but they really be looking for him. Oh my gosh, then I didn't even bring my... Hold on, y'all. I'm back. I think I'm about to go live, y'all. Because y'all not here. Y'all here, but y'all not really here. Like, y'all not here talking to me. But I love y'all.